Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope that you all are good. Uh, on Friday, you have your class test, which is about 20 marks. How's your test? That's you know better than the teachers. Okay. Now on Saturday, there was PTM of roll number 1 to 5. Only 1 and 2 roll number, that is the parent of Amrita and Arajit, both of them attend the PTM very well, but the three students, Aisha, Ashwini and Aryan, why you all are offline? Aryan and Aisha, you both are offline. Why? And Ashwini, what is your problem? You were online on that day during PTM, but you or your parents don't want to interact with your teachers. Next Saturday we will have again our PTM. So from roll number 3rd up to I don't know how many people want to interact with your teachers, because if your parents don't want to interact with your teachers, then on the whole year, throughout the whole year, we will not support you instead of study. Only I will support you in study part. Other than that, I will not support you. Okay? So be careful. If your teacher tells you something, then you should obey your elders. This PTM is for you only, not for ours. So be careful from the next time. Roll number 3rd to up to how I don't know that how many people will interact with the teacher. So right now, last week Monday to Thursday, I explained you the sentence chapter along with the exercises, and I know that you all did very well in your writing part, and in the test part, that is your part, students. That judge yourself. Don't cheat with you. Don't cheat with yourself. Just do good. Now today, that is 4th May, I am going to start the noun chapter. Today I will tell you about noun and kinds of noun. You will have to note it down in your copy. That means today is your writing part. So right now I am going to explain you the definition of noun, examples and the types of noun, and you all have to note it down from here only. Some students, what they did in the last chapter, that is the sentence, I wrote it down, I make notes from the book and from myself, my own words. But what some children did, that they all copied their notes from the grammar book. If you did this next time, then I will not check your class test copies as well as your regular test copies. What I wrote here, you have to note it down, only this thing. Just do what your teacher told you to do. Don't try to do any your work. Okay? So do what your teacher tells to do. Don't do from the book. And if you want to do in your book, from your book, then do, write and learn by yourself. I will not check your copies anymore. So be careful from the right this time. So noun, and I know that you all read noun from your earlier age. So here I am going to tell you this, that what is noun. Definition of noun is, a noun is a word that functions as a name of a thing, person or place. Some examples are given here. You have to divide it like this. Okay, you have to write that examples: boy, postman, woman. This comes under person. Temple, house, river comes under place. And some words are given here as an example, that is like, that is all comes under thing. Okay, but this is bifurcate. This is a division of the things, like living creatures, actions, quality, and state of existence, ideas. All these comes under thing. So you have to note it down from here, that the definition of noun and examples of noun are given here. So I think you all understood the definition of noun, that a noun is a word that functions as a name of a thing, person or place. Types of noun. The main types of nouns are common noun. A common noun is a word for something such as boy, cat, book, bridge, lake, etc. Okay. Next, proper noun. Proper noun makes a specific person's name, place name, or particular thing. Like India, Sachin and Dal Lake. Okay, this is your particular's name. Next, collective noun. Common noun is the word for something such as boy, cat, book, bridge, lake, etc. Proper noun is a name of a particular person and place name such as India, Sachin, Dal Lake. What do you understand by collective noun? It is the name of or a collection or a number of persons, things such as group, herd, army, which is in collective part, which is collect, a group. Abstract noun. An abstract noun is a name given to a quality, state or an action. Again I bifurcate this in quality, state and action, like here. It refers to things that we can neither touch nor see, but we can feel it, though we can think of them. Example, goodness, kindness comes under quality, you all know. Careful, this also comes under quality. State, childhood, youth, old, this comes under abstract noun. Laughter, hatred comes under action. Next, the material noun. You all know what is material noun. A material noun names a substance or material ingredient that we can see and touch and which is used for making things, such as gold, coal, wheat, rubber, aluminium, wood, silver. All these kinds comes under material noun. Next, countable noun. The materials, the things which can be counted is known as countable noun. Countable nouns are the names of objects, people, ideas, etc., which can be counted. They can have plural forms such as dog, a dog, that means one dog, we can count one dog. Two books, we can count two books. Three girls, we can count three girls. And four horses, we can count four horses. That means if the plural forms of nouns is also known, comes under countable nouns. What are uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns are those which cannot be counted. Uncountable nouns are the names of materials, liquids, abstract qualities, collections and other things. Most uncountable nouns are singular and have no plural form, such as rice, wheat, water, milk, etc. These kinds of examples we cannot count with ourselves. Okay, from here to here. You have to copy it from here only, in my from my sheet only. What I had written here, you have to write it down in your grammar copy from here only. After this video, I will send you the picture of this sheet. You have to write from here in your grammar copy. Don't copy it from book. Okay, students? Just listen my words very carefully. Don't copy it from book. Just copy from here. I am writing here for you only. That you know, no need to write the whole thing which is given in your grammar book. Just write the small things, short things which you can understand easily when you read or learn something from your copy. Okay, so from here, definition, examples, all these, see here how I am written here. Boy, postman, woman comes under person. You have to make it brackets also, and do the second part of your bracket and use things. These 5 things comes under things. After that, you have to note down all the 7 kinds of noun along with your examples. After completing this, you have to take your grammar book, open page number 15. The chart is given there, masculine, feminine and common gender nouns. You have to make this chart in your grammar copy. Okay, you have to divide your page into 3 parts. As a heading, you have to write masculine, feminine and common gender nouns. Again, you have to write one heading, masculine, feminine and common, and you have to copy this in your grammar copy. From actor, actress, baby to waiter, waitress and teacher. You have to copy it in your grammar copy. Okay, so this is your homework. Don't write in your copy that it is your homework. I am telling you here that just put your date in your copy and start writing your this chapter. The noun chapter, the chapter 2nd, you have to write from the new page in your grammar copy. Okay, so do it from here, what I had written here, copy it from here, and after completing till here, etc., you have to take your book and open your page number 15 and copy your this thing. After completing your work, you have to send me your homework. Okay, and if you have any queries, any doubts, then you can ask me in your allotted period of time. Till then, take care of yourself, and you're ready with your revision. Just write this chapter in your copy, the noun, and revise this chapter very well. After that, I will solve the exercises by tomorrow. Okay, till then, thank you class, take care.